Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this color. I was on Instagram a few weeks ago and I saw an influencer with this color. It looked different in some pictures than others. In person it looks different than it looks on camera. I guess it's all about the lighting. But I was really just in love with the color, the cut, the style, everything about the hair. I just absolutely loved it and I just wanted to do it. So I decided why not. So I got a wig from Yolissa's hair company, which I will be unboxing for you guys on camera. Not really going too much in depth with the video just because, you know, I've already done it. There's video on my channel. You guys can check that out. But I just wanted to go for this, you know, kind of pastel baby blue, as well as this kind of long bob. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are not already doing so. And you want to make sure you turn on those post notifications so you guys can see whenever I post new videos. Stay tuned. So I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing yet another wig from Yolissa's hair. As you guys know, in my initial impressions video, I was really impressed by their hair quality and the amount that I was getting in terms of like density and the quality. So I ordered another wig to do in blue. You should stay tuned just to see how that turns out. So here we go. Took me a lot to actually get this wig. I've actually been going back and forth with Yolissa's hair as well as DHL just to try to get them to drop it off. Apparently they changed their policy, and in that policy it states that if it's a wig sample or a hair sample or hair, anything like that, it requires a signature and you can't leave a note on the door and have someone sign for it. I guess, you know, better safe than sorry, but I live in a pretty safe neighborhood, knock on wood. And I would just like them to leave my package at my house. Anyway, so they actually did something a little bit different. So I got a little comb. It's kind of cute. I'm not sure if I'll ever use it, but it's cute. They gave me, I guess, like a necklace choker situation again. Oh, I got a lot more stuff this time. I feel some kind of, oh my gosh, I feel some kind of how about what I got with my first wig. Like I got earrings, like, I don't know if you guys can see with like the little glare. Kind of hard to see, but they're cute. Like, I don't know if I'd wear them because I'm allergic to costume jewelry, but they're cute. I got these same little lashes, and then this time I got this little, like, oh, I was like wondering what this was, like a braid cap, I guess, if you wanted to sew the wig down to your head. But, you know, enough of all that. Let's, you know, get right into this wig. So this wig, I think I ordered in 14 inches just because I was going for a little bit different of a look. Let's see if I'm as impressed as I was the first time. It just stuck to my hand, probably because it's a little dry and has like little pieces of skin just hanging off. So, but yes, you know, let's see. Yeah. Is it the same amount of shedding? Same amount of shedding. But as you guys know, I feel like I'm objective when it comes to like my wigs and what I expect to get for what I pay for. The hair is very full. As you guys can see, it's full from root to tip. I probably end up cutting this just because I feel like this one is slightly fuller at the roots than my other one, and I was kind of going for like a long bob, so I'd more than likely end up cutting it just for that reason, not because I have to. But as I was letting you guys know, when it comes to buying like cheaper hair, you know, I expect for something, not for something to go wrong, let me just rephrase that. I expect for everything not to be 100% perfect. So if it sheds a little bit and it has 180% density, am I really gonna miss it? No, not so much. So let's see. You know, yeah, feel the same way about it. I would definitely have to say this is going to be, it's between them and Rosa Beauty, and the only reason that Rosa Beauty is not my favorite, and I know this is not about Rosa Beauty, but the only reason they're not my favorite is because they don't offer their wigs in more than 130% density, and I just don't feel like that's enough hair. So they would have to be number one. But yes, I am going to be dyeing this beauty in blue, like my eyeshadow. You guys, well, not this blue, like a kind of like an ice blue. But yes, definitely stay tuned for how I get that color. So I have the wig, and what you're gonna need for this video obviously is the wig. I did something a little bit different. I bought a different color. This is a Viral color wash. It's by Celeb Luxury. I got it in a pastel baby blue. I was kind of scared to use this. One of the things that kind of scared me was wanted something different. You know, you guys know I'm used to just using the Adore watercolors. In addition to that, it's $24, so it's definitely more on the expensive side. After doing a little bit of checking, I think it's like a shampoo, but we're gonna find out how this turns out together. So I did watch another YouTuber's video, and she used boiling hot water. As you guys know, the faucet, my bathroom faucet water comes out to be really, really hot. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna boil water because I like this whole like watercolor business where it's like a lazy method to coloring the hair. So now the water is hot. Hot. See the smoke? Hot. You know, I got my trusty comb to stir it up. I did also notice that she didn't mix a lot of water in there. She ended up using 2 bottles, which I don't want to use 2 bottles, not at $24 a bottle. So, yeah. It's scary. I almost chickened out and went back with the Adore color just because it's my comfort zone. But I really just couldn't find a shade in Adore that I liked. So I noticed in her video that she used a lot of the blue. She used a little bit at first, and then she ended up going back in and using a little bit more, and her wig came out the color I want my wig to come out. So I'm just gonna avoid using a little bit and use a lot. You guys know I should probably test these things out, but I like to go in head first. So we'll see, but I'm gonna do a test strip because the last wig that I did, where I tried to achieve the rose gold, the amount of work I had to do to color correct it just wasn't all that fun. So I'm just gonna try to avoid that. I'm gonna put a little bit more water just because I'm worried about the color mixing and then the entire wig just fitting in there properly. I'm still getting chunks of color, which I don't really mind because I figured, you know, dimensions. I love dimensions, as you guys know. Some can be darker, some can be lighter. It's really hard to mix. I'm getting tired of mixing this. I'm gonna put it in a test strip. Let's test this bad boy out. Gotta learn a lesson sometime. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. That's the color. We're going in. Pray for me. Oh gosh. It smells so good. I guess it really is a shampoo. Oh, I love the color. I want to say it's more perfect than I thought. So I initially saw an Instagram vlogger on there, and it was like in the lighting it kind of looked like an ice, like turquoise blue. Oh, come on. This is the part I don't like, where different parts of the wig is coming out different colors. Maybe I used too much blue. Let's add some more water. But so far, I'm loving it. I probably used too much blue, but I like the color. I actually kind of like it so far a little bit more than the Adore, just because I feel with the Adore color, I have to dip it several times, and I don't get the vibe that I have to dip this several times in terms of it covering all the hair. So it seems like it's worth it. I was a little scared. I was prepared to use some Adore silver in the hair, which is really pretty. Do you guys see that color? Ooh. And those dimensions that I was talking about. Just want to make sure it's even. So I'm just cross-checking the color. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. Gotta make sure I didn't miss any spots. And just like the Adore, it did not bleach the lace, or not bleach the lace, it didn't color the lace. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. How much color's in that water? A decent amount. But I don't want to risk the chance of like coloring it more, because right now the color is like, I want to say it's like almost perfect. There are some patches that are a little darker than I want it to be, but that's fine because again, it's going to give the hair dimensions. So I'm just going to rinse out the remainder of that shampoo. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm glad I take chances. Got like half a bottle left, so not too bad. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. This color is amazing. Okay, so the difference in the color that I'm seeing is that the wefts are a different color than the actual, like the frontal. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it's just that one track. So weird. Okay. I'm gonna rinse this out though. This color is perfect. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Like right now I like it better than the Adore color, because I feel like with the Adore color, like you literally have to dip it more than once in order for the color to get everywhere that it needs to get. This is a little bit more expensive, but I feel like the color that you want is the color that's going to come out right away without you having to dip it multiple times to get everywhere on the hair. Here I am, I'm just rinsing out the color wash shampoo out of the wig just to see what the final results are. So this is the finished look for that baby blue color that I was trying to achieve. As you guys saw in the video, I used something a little bit different. I don't remember the exact name of it, but I'll leave it up, you know, somewhere up here or there so you guys can know the product that I used to achieve this color. I feel like on camera it looks like a ice kind of baby blue, but in person it kind of looks like a teal, like a turquoise kind of blue. Either which way, I definitely love the color.